this is a video response to Busan Kevin, who posted a video about how excited he was that Japan had beer vending machines. Right now I'm here in a pool hall in Tokyo. And what we have here is not only a beer vending machine, but a draft beer vending machine. Let's check it out. Alright, so let's see how much. 400 yen. Alright, it's 400 yen. We're gonna give it a shot. Okay, so there's our cup. There's up. Ooh, and it's filling up right now. But I bet, like most Japanese beers, there'll probably be a huge head of foam on it. They give too much head in Japan. I don't mean that in a good way either. Holy crap. This is probably the most head I've ever got. Oh my god, look at that. Look at that. That's like half the damn beer. Yeah, so just remember that with Japan, too much head in Japan. So anyway, so draft beer vending machine only in Japan. Thank you very much. Not bad. Okay, so this is a video response to Busan. Wait, stop. Alright, so this is a video response to Busan Keith, who posted a video. Okay, stop.